Now, how about a minestra di farro, which means a soup made with farro. And to do it, you want to start out with a meaty ham bone for flavor. Now, here is a prosciutto bone, but if you don't have a prosciutto bone, you can just go to the butcher and get a regular ham bone. And then you get a pot of boiling water going, and you put the bone right in the water, just like that. Then you have what you normally have for soup, a few carrots or a carrot and a stalk of celery and an onion. And here is just a little bouquet of herbs again. You can have rosemary and sage, whatever. And now all we want to do is cut up the vegetables just coarsely, and they go in the pot just like that, with an onion cut in half. An onion goes in, and again, we're adding some tomatoes. So about 4 or 5 plum tomatoes go in. All of that goes in, a little bit of salt and pepper. You cover the pot, let that cook. When it is cooked, move some stuff out of the way here so I can show you what happens next. When it is cooked, it looks like that. Take a look at that. And now we have to take out this ham bone. So get out a dish and grab yourself 2 big spoons. Here's just a regular ham bone. You want to take that out and you want to let that cool, because then you want to cut off the meat and put it back into the pot. So then you need a big pot with a strainer. So here's mine. Little cheesecloth lining a strainer. And now I want to take that and dump it right into my strainer. So the whole thing, very carefully, comes right over. You strain this, and you can cut the vegetables up if you want to and put them back in the soup. But I like to just strain them out by pushing on them with a spoon. Just push on all those ingredients to get all that flavor out. Then once you do that, you can get rid of the strainer. Get rid of that. Get rid of the strainer, and you're left with this beautiful clear soup. Then you take that farro that you've soaked. That goes in the pan, just like that. You stir it around, put it back on the heat, and the last thing you need to do is get out a cutting board, and when that meat has cooled down some, you take a knife and you start cutting up the meat. And you see how easy that comes off the bone. You can also use your fingers just to pick this off. And you put this right back into the soup pot.